Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Zesta Herbal Soap Skincare and Lifestyle. I'm happy to be with you guys. I've missed you guys. It's been some few days now I've not dropped a video. So today I'll be dropping another obonge recipe for you guys. You know, my YouTube family, I love you all. So now, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel, please. If this is the first time of you coming to my channel, you're welcome. This is Zesta Herbal Soap Skincare and Lifestyle. So I'll now be showing you quickly another short video on how you can make oil-based perfume. Okay, so I'll be showing you how to make an oil-based perfume quickly now. This one is just your perfume base with your oil of choice. So in this one you also mix your top, your middle and your base notes. But if you want, you can use only your top note alone, okay, or any fragrance oil that has a strong smell, you can use only one. But in this particular one I'll be using 3 of them. Okay, so you measure your top note. Okay, I've already given you measurements of how it can be measured. Okay, so this one I already have the measurements for this one. So I've already given you measurements on how you can mix. Then this is my middle note. And then your base note. You must not mix it in this particular order, okay? But if you want, you can, or you can use only one strong fragrance. After you've done that, you now put in your either coconut oil or your propylene glycol or any other essential oil of your choice, carrier oil of your choice. Okay, this is 20% too. My oils with 20%. Okay, and then my oil is now 80. My oils with 20 mils. My fragrance oil was 20 mils, and now my diluted oil is 80 mils. This gives me a 20% concentrated perfume also. So I'm going to mix this up properly. Then I'm going to dispense this into my bottles. Okay, so this is how it's done. You do that, then you dispense them into all your bottles, okay, which I'm going to do now off camera. So thanks for watching my video. If you stayed with me even up to this time, up to this point, I'm very grateful. Okay, please do try and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question you ask, even if you don't have, please drop me a reasonable drop me a comment that makes sense, and I might just answer it and give you, and I might just answer it, okay? Just drop us a comment, hit the subscribe button, and then watch our next videos and stay with us. Thank you for subscribing to Zesta Herbal Soap and Skincare.